Affiliate marketing tactics that can get you money. A lot of people wish to become affiliate marketers, but they end up shying away from the genre due to an assumed difficulty level greater than other online opportunities. As you will find out by watching this video, the difficulty is more myth than reality. Follow this video and find out what it takes to market. Always remember the importance of education. Know the basics of HTML, data feed manipulation, and product design. Bookstores and the internet can serve as wonderful resources for this. Having a good handle on basic affiliate marketing techniques will improve your site, as well as your income potential. One great way to always stay ahead of the game in affiliate marketing is to be among the first people to advertise a newly released product. To stay ahead of the game and to promote products before the market becomes saturated, check out various large companies, like ClickBank, and find out about new products. Your affiliate website should complement the products your retailer offers through your links. Positive feedback, additional descriptions, personal recommendations encourage visitors to click on the merchant's links and buy the products you promoted, which generates income and provides compensation for your work. Help your visitors to make the decision to buy your retailer's products. The most important thing you can do to achieve success in affiliate marketing is choose the right product. There certainly are a lot of dodgy mortgage loan scams and acai berry supplements for weight loss out there, but associating yourself with products that have such a poor reputation will just harm your own reputation, reducing sales in the future. Swap links with other high-quality websites to help build up your backlinks. Even if your website is fully search engine optimized, you'll get no traffic unless you ensure that other websites are linking to you. Make sure to leverage social media to get others to link to you, including being retweeted on Twitter. Be super transparent about your affiliate links. So many courses recommend hiding your affiliate links, and it even kind of seems right. But many readers actually appreciate it when you identify affiliate links on your site. In fact, some are more likely to buy from you because they appreciate your transparency and feel you are honest and trustworthy. When you are trying to use affiliate marketing for your website, make sure you do not overwhelm the page with advertising banners. While they can seem like an easy way to entice your site visitors to click on ads, the fact is that most internet users find them annoying. Excessive banner ads may keep people from visiting your site altogether. Keep your affiliate marketing campaign more subtle, and you will be more successful. Now you can probably understand that there isn't a lot of difficulty involved in affiliate marketing. Time, knowledge, and a whole lot of effort. Well, of course, that's what it takes to succeed with any business venture. You have just learned some great affiliate tips and tactics here, so the next step is to put them to good use. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.